If you have old smartphone, don't throw it. You can use it as a CCTV camera. So in this video, I will show you how to use that old smartphone as a CCTV camera for your home and for your office. So let's get started.
Step 1. In old phone, install this app. App name is Alphard Camera. Install it. Click on weapon. Click on sign up or login. Click on continue with Google. Here, whatever email ID you are using, same email ID you need to use in your new phone also. Give the permissions whatever it is asking. Once you given all the permissions here, it will show that status as a online. Now you go to your new mobile phone. It is step 2. Here also you need to go for Play Store and search for Alphard Camera. And now here also you need to install this app. Once your installation is done, click on open. Click sign up or login option. Here also select continue with Google. Select the same email address here. Now click on continue. If you see by default one camera is showing here. Here you need to give the some permissions, allow it. Here also click on continue. Click on got it. Now click on live. Camera is loading from our old mobile. Now your old phone is become CCTV camera for your home or office. So this is how you can do this setup. Hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.